Hello from Tokyo. So today I'm going to do another balloon smash flower painting, but I'm going to use this color for the base. It's Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, and it's a transparent color as you can see from the clear box here. An opaque color like the titanium white will have a solid box like that, and this light gold is semi-opaque because it's half and half in the box. So this is an example of using a darker base. When you pull the colors up with the balloon, the center of the flowers remain dark compared to, of course, using the titanium white base, as you can see here. The pouring medium I'm using is clear PVA glue and water and a little bit of Floetrol, apart from the base color that only has glue and water. And to thin it down a little bit, I'm spritzing some additional water. Spritzing is a good idea so you don't add too much at once. And as this is a transparent color, I have painted the base with the magenta before doing the pour. Once the base color has been laid down and it's been torched to pop any bubbles, air bubbles, it's time to lay down the colors and blow it out to see as a test if they work together well, if there's any effects like lacing. In this case there wasn't, so I'm just going to continue to put some more paints down, and then we'll do an initial tester balloon smash and then carry on the process. It's time for the tester balloon smash. I'm just showing you where I keep my balloon in an old chipped bowl. And here we go. And yep, you'll see it lifts everything up and there's nothing underneath, and I need more white. So I'll be using a lot more titanium white for it to work against this darker background. So here I'm showing you the bottom of the balloon to say, look, I'm going to double smash. But I really wish I hadn't, because it was so nice, that white part of the flower. But no harm done, because you can always add more paint and repeat the smash. And it does create extra layers of petals. So nothing's lost, and it's just part of the art process. So let's have a look at the wet finish of the painting. It was quite a challenge laying down those white flowers on top of the permanent magenta, and that splotch there is something I try to fix a bit late on, so I'm not sure if it'll dry so well. However, let's look closer. Can you see the lacing on the white? That's been achieved through torching, which I like very much. And the middle of the flowers are looking good. My favorite flower is right up here in the corner. I think that one worked out very well. And here is the dried finish. And I can hear you say, oh my goodness, what did you do, Michelle? I wanted to give it an aged look. And so I added some, what was it, Prussian blue, which is also a transparent color. And I did the edges. Because it's glue, I could scratch it out a bit as well. So let's have a closer look at the flowers. They've dried really nicely. With this technique, you always have to wait until it dries and it's less lumpy to see how the flowers look exactly. Interesting how some of the permanent magenta has gone over the white like a film. Looks pretty cool. That I'm just pointing out that I haven't finished doing the edges yet to make it look aged. What do you think though? Did you prefer it? Should I have left it as a magenta background? Or does the aging effect look cool? Thank you so much for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye.